Good morning. And I'm coming to you early in the morning here, talking about the lab that you're going to be doing today. I'm actually out of the building today. I have to take my son in. He kind of broke his arm, and so we have to get like a cast put on it or so. Anyways, he's fine. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the lab setup that you're going to be doing today. And so you can kind of see that there's the setup anyways, and we've got a track, okay? So you're gonna need a cart. You wanna make sure that you record the number of the cart. I think numbers are on the bottom. We need the track. We wanna make sure that the track is level, and there is a turn screw down here at the bottom so you can kind of make sure it's level. Use the cart as the level guide. If it sits in the middle, then you're probably okay. You need to make sure that you have your motion sensor, and we want to set our motion sensor so that it's on cart. And we need a string to attach to the cart. There are strings over yonder on there. We need a pulley on the end, okay, a pulley on the end, and then a hanger that we're going to hang off of there. And then these are the masses that are set out, so 220s and 200s. And I'm just going to kind of set this up a little bit here so that it doesn't slide, but I'm going to put the hanger on the end, okay? And so we're going to set it up using this kind of a setup so that I can then move these weights away and then it'll roll. At least I have to do this because I've only got one person here. So there's our basic setup for the lab. It's a lot like problem number 1 on the data or on the practice problems. And we just want to make sure that everybody's able to collect data that way. There is a scale in the back of the room, okay, in the back of the room, that actually you can use to find the mass of the cart, okay? So when it says mass on plane, we want to make sure we know the mass of the cart as well as the mass, these little 20 grams. So you can just set the whole thing on there, get the mass, record that value. And then we need the hanging mass, and so again, you can do the same thing with the hanging mass to get that. And then you're collecting an experimental acceleration, and I'm going to walk through that in the next little